The call of the wild, the serenity of nature, and the thrill of adventure, that's what draws us to the great outdoors. And when you're out there, what could be better than having a comfortable seat to relax in? Welcome to our guide on Amazon's best camping chairs, thoughtfully selected to enhance your outdoor experiences. For backpackers and hikers, the Helinox Chair 1 is a lightweight, compact, and comfortable choice. It's perfect for those who want to save on weight and space. Another great option from Coleman, this chair offers comfort, a cooler, and a budget-friendly price. It's ideal for casual campers. This chair is known for its dual lock system that keeps you securely seated. It's lightweight, easy to carry, and suitable for various outdoor activities. The KingCamp chair lives up to its name with a robust design and ample storage pockets. It's a heavy-duty option for campers who need durability and convenience. This camping chair is perfect for those who want extra space and a built-in cooler for drinks. It's sturdy, comfortable, and great for long camping trips.